Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to hide your likes from others on Instagram. Let's get started. Ever since Instagram introduced a feature that allows users to see what their friends liked, many have raised privacy concerns. Some users find this unnecessary and prefer to keep their likes private. Fortunately, Instagram is rolling out a feature that allows you to hide your likes from others. With this option enabled, your past and future likes on posts and reels will only be visible to you and the account that shared the content. I'm going to show you how to set this up. However, since this feature is still being tested, it may not be available for everyone just yet. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so I can keep you updated. To hide the likes you've made, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner to access the Settings menu. Scroll down to Who can see your content. You will see something like this. You will see an option labeled Likes You've Made. Tap on it, and you'll find options to choose who can see when you like other people's posts and reels. You can choose to allow everyone, only people you follow, close friends, or even prevent anyone from seeing your likes. Select the last option. Don't allow anyone to see likes. And from that point on, all the likes you make will be private. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't see this feature yet, make sure to update your Instagram app. However, since it's still a new feature in testing, most users might not have access to it yet. I will keep you updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.